In this review we are going to talk about algebra. And first we need to know the difference between an equation and an expression. If we have an equal sign, this sign, we have an equation, and if we don't have an equal sign, we have an expression. And when we solve an equation, we want to find out what the variable is. Often it is x in an equation, but it can be another letter as well. Before I show a method that you can use on all equations, you need to know that the left term is on the one on the left of the equal sign, and the one to the right is the right term. For example, if I have 2x plus 1 equal to 9. This is the left side, and this is the right side of the equal sign. So this is the left side and this is the right side, and this is the variable. Now I'm going to go through a method called the balance method, which you can always use when you're solving equations. But first, we need to have the knowledge about opposites of arithmetic or addition and subtraction. This one is a couple. Always think like that. Addition and subtraction is a couple, and also multiply and division is also a couple. You can see it like a couple. I will show you now for a simple example that we are going to solve the equation with this balance method. If we have, for example, we have 3x plus 4 equal sign 25. Okay, this is equal to 25. Okay, first we think in our heads now, we only want the variable x on the left side of the equal sign. So first I look at this, plus 4, the opposite is minus. They are a married couple. So then I write a little bit under minus 4, and then I need to do exactly the same on the right side of the equal sign. So I write minus 4 on the right side also. Then I write 3x equal to 21. And then we have 3 multiply x. You have a hidden multiply between 3 and x. So the opposite for multiply is division. I only want the x on the left side now. So then I division to 3, and then I do the same, exactly the same on the right side of the equal sign. And then I can take the 3 away, and then I only have x equal to 7. And then I have done the right. Now I have solved the equation. So this is the right answer. And the next step is that you can get variables on both sides of the equal sign. And then the trick is to save the variables on the side of the equal sign where you have the most positive variables. We do an example to show this also. Then I have 5x plus 2 on the left side equal to 26 minus 3x. Now we look first on the variable. We have 5x and we have minus 3x. We need to have them on the same side of the equal sign. So this is more than minus 3x. So opposite is plus 3x and then plus 3x on the other side of the equal sign also. 5x plus 3x is 8x plus 2 equal to 26. And now I would like to have this plus 2 away. Then I can get that with minus 2 on the both side. Then I have 8x on the left side equal to 24. And you have like a multiply between 8 and x, and the opposite for multiply is division. So I division to 8 and exactly the same on the other side. Then I can take the 8 away, and then we have x equal to 3. And this solves the equation. So when you have variable on both sides of this equal sign, then you need to keep the x or the variable where you have most positive x. 5x is more than minus 3x. Okay. We can also solve equation when we have parentheses multiplied by each other or a number. If you want to multiply something together, it is good to draw arrows. I can show you this. I take this away, and then we show an equation that I can use arrows. For example, if we have 4 multiply parenthesis x minus 3 equal to 20. Okay, we have a 4 that we are going to multiply with this. You can write arrows all the time. I do that in like teacher every time. Not because I don't want to miss a step. 4 multiply x, it's 4x, and then the next arrow, 4 multiply minus 3 is minus 12, equal to 20. And now we solve the exactly on the same way that we did before. Minus 12, okay, I write plus 12 on the both side of the equal sign. Then I have 4x equal to 32. 4 multiply x, okay, we need to division with 4 on the both side. You only have x left on the left side of the equal sign. 32 division to 4 is 8. And this is the, we solved the equation. X equal to 8. If we have variables with fractions, I have done a review of the theory in fractions. I hope you can see that one in the document you have before. We follow the same rules as we went through in calculate with fractions. If you have expression, we need to arrange so that we get the same denominator. You remember denominator. First we have numerator, division to denominator. If we, for example, have this 4 division to 2x plus 9 division to 4. Okay, we don't have an equal sign here, so this is an expression. It's not an equation. And the first you have to think is, okay, we must have the same denominator. I have 2x and 4 here. So the denominator is 2x multiplied to 4 is 8x, but I see that we can have the in a not so high denominator, we can have 4x. So we look at 4x and fix that we have 4x in denominator in both of the fractions. And we can do it like this. 4x, okay, 2x multiply 2, and then I need to do exactly the same in the numerator. And 4x, okay, then I need to multiply with x, and the same in the numerator. And now we have 4 multiplied 2 is 8, division to 2x multiplied 2 is 4x, plus 9x division to 4x. And now we have the same denominator. Then we can write this like this: 8 plus 9x division to 4x. And now we have done it so simple it can be, because we can't solve this because we don't have an equation. We need to have a equal to here if we had an equation. Okay, hope this can help you.